Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2S, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. To install additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect app. Once the devices are paired, open the Garmin Connect app on your phone. In the app, you should have this icon right here, the icon of your watch. You can tap on it to open the device page. Now scroll down, tap on the option called Appearance, select Watch Faces. As you can see right here, we have two categories: installed and not installed, and we have no installed watch faces and also no removed activities or apps. Now, to install more watch faces on our watch, tap on Get More Watch Faces button, and here we can download and install the Connect IQ app. If you want to use the app for this, you can tap on Download to download it. I'm just gonna tap on Not Now and open the Connect IQ in the browser. So I'm gonna tap on Not Now, and here we have the Connect IQ store. Let's wait until it's done loading, like that. And here we have list of watch faces we can install on our watch. It's quite few. You can also go to more pages. Find the watch face you like to use. For example, maybe this one. Tap on it, on the name of it, like this. And here we have the description, list of compatible devices. Let's check if the Venu 2S is on the list. It is. And once you're done checking the information, tap on Download button to install the watch face. Be aware that your watch needs to be updated to the latest version to be able to install watch faces. So if you get the information that your software is outdated, you just need to update the software to install the watch faces. Okay, let's tap on Download now. Tap on Accept the terms. Then Allow. As you can see, you have it that the watch face will be installed in the next time your devices sync. We can tap on Go Back to the app. And here we have the sync button. As you can see, the devices are syncing already. So let's wait until it's done. And once it's done syncing, the watch face should be applied. As you can see, it is. You can go back to Appearance and Watch Faces. And here we have our watch face, as you can see, in the installed category. We can tap on it. We can uninstall it here by tapping on Uninstall. We can tap on View in Store to open the store page for it. And also we had the Settings button, and there we can customize this watch face. You can tap on Settings, and here we have some customization we can basically do. As you can see, there's quite a few options. You can enable or disable some of the options like loading 04 hours, or rather leading 04 hours, use location provided by GARMIN weather to calculate sunset, notifications box, stripe hours and stuff like that. You can enable or disable them by tapping the switch. You can change the time format. You can change the tap arc bar. Basically, you have this bar right here at the top, and you can change it from, for example, a battery bar instead of move bar. And now we have the battery bar at the top, I believe. It should be at least. Oh no, we need to tap on Done to save the settings. So if you tap on Done, now we have the battery bar at the top, as you can see, and you can customize quite a few more settings. Bottom, arc bar, tap field, many more settings you have here. You can customize by simply tapping on one and selecting the option you like. Background color, hours color rather, minutes, background color under the time. Quite few options, as you can see. And once you're done, of course, tap on done. And once the devices are done syncing, you should have the updated watch face. And like I said before, you can also uninstall this watch face by tapping on uninstall and tapping yes. And once the devices are done syncing, the watch face should be gone from your watch. And also, if you go back to appearance, it should be gone from this list too. And that's how you install the additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.